Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a domain with GoDaddy for hosting. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the GoDaddy website. Click on the Domains tab at the top of the page. Select Register a Domain from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type your desired domain name. Click the search button to check its availability. If your domain is available, click the Add to Cart button. If the domain is not available, GoDaddy will suggest alternatives. Choose the option that best suits your needs. After selecting your domain, click Continue to Cart. Review your cart to ensure everything is correct. Here, you can customize your domain registration options. You may want to add domain privacy protection for added security. Select the registration period for your domain. Typically, you can choose between 1 to 10 years. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click the Continue button. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Fill in your contact and payment information as required. Review your purchase one last time. Make sure all details are accurate. Click the Complete Purchase button to finalize your registration. Check your email for a confirmation from GoDaddy. You may need to verify your email address to activate your domain. After verification, your domain will be registered and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel